All right. You guys, this is my first live. I cannot... Oh, it's so funny because I can do this on YouTube live, no problem. But, oh my goodness, I am freaking out a little bit. So, let me see here. Alrighty. I'll give people a little time to come on. All right. Okay, so we are going to make a quick and easy card. I know that some of you that are on here on my Beauty and the Stamper Facebook page, which is being recorded live, and then I will move it over to YouTube. However, that will not be live, obviously. So I'm going to put out a quick and easy card here. And the reason being is because I know a lot of you guys are not necessarily here for the stamping, but more for the DIY type of stuff and just Beauty and the Stamper in general. So thank you, Beauties, for joining me. And I wanted to use this. Here's a card, cling stamp set. And it's going to be super easy. And it's not a lot of investment on this one. In fact, I'm going to be using the Whisper White note card and envelope. So they're a little bit smaller than a regular size card. But we're going to grab one of these guys. And how's everybody doing? There's so many of us at home. That's just my everyday life. Being a business owner, I just work from home. But let me go ahead and burnish this guy down here. And we're going to be working with the card and the envelope. From the Here's a Card, it's so many great sayings in here. But I'm just going to be using this cute one, little hello there. And I actually am just going to take that, put it on my block. Just a little tiny block there. And I'm going to get some Memento ink out to start me off. And we are just going to ink that up here. And I'm just going to put a little hello there, right in the corner. Oh, it's twisted a little bit. That's okay. I am okay with that. But what I wanted to show you was this cute little technique. I'm going to be using the Post-it note. It's called labeling and cover-up tape. And all you're going to do is we're going to first get out a scrap piece of paper here. And we're going to take a piece that's a little bit longer than the card itself. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to, well, let's see. This has grid lines, so it'll be perfect. And I will take this grid line. Let's go with right here. We're going to line that up with this grid line. So if these two grid lines are perfect, then that means that this line on here will be perfect as well. I'm going to do the same exact thing over here. And this one I'm going to bring into right here. And this is Post-it note, so it's not going to stick at all. So I'm bringing that one in. Oh. There we go. And I'm going to put those down because I don't want anything going underneath those Post-it lines. So then I picked 3 colors. Pineapple Punch, Lovely Lipstick, and Bermuda Bay. And then I'm going to start with some Pineapple Punch here. And I have makeup brushes. That's all they are. They've got some give to it. I've put some tape around the color that I want to use. So anything that I use in yellows, I use this one. So I'm going to take that pineapple punch, and I'm just going to put that and pick up some ink right there. And I am going to start off of the page here. And I think I'm going to start here. And we're just going to put that on here. This is going to be really, really quick. So I've done this one about 1/3 of the way down the card. And you can do it as dark or as light as you'd like. Okay. Now, I'm going to go to the next color, which is the, let's do some Bermuda Bay on this one. And we'll start at the bottom third of the card. Doing the exact same thing. We're going to start here off the page. And you can choose any of those colors that you like to do this in. But I'll show you why I'm choosing these particular colors. And we're going to go 1/3 up the page here. And we'll do a little bit more. Now what you want to do is make sure that you're not going over this area. This one's off the page, so it doesn't matter. All right, so we got that about 1/3. And we're going to move to the lovely lipstick now. I'm going to get out my red makeup brush. And you could use sponges if you'd like. You could use some daubers if you like. I just found that this goes really well. Hi, Mary Beth. How are you? Have not talked to you in a while. So this is where the fun part comes in, because I'm going to start off and I'm going to go right down the middle, but then watch what happens as I move a little bit lower. And a little bit higher. Look at those colors that are forming. It's all the stuff we learned in grade school. So while all you guys are homeschooling, this could be something fun to teach your kids. And look at this beautiful purple that's coming up, and that beautiful orange that's coming up. And we've got that. Just going to close this up. And now when we take this tape off, this is where it's fun. Look at that great straight line there. And then we're going to take the other side off. And there we go. See how pretty that is? And all it was 3 colors, one little stamp there, and you can put anything you want. You could actually not have the stamp there and have it going across here or across here. Anything is super cute. So then let me go ahead. Hi, beauties. I see you coming in now. And what we're going to do is take an envelope after we've made our card there, and we're going to do the same thing. So just take another piece of tape there. Now this is where it's fun too, because you could do it right along this fold here and have a background, or you can even do it further down like this. So even though the fold is way up here, we're going to start way down here. And we're going to do the same exact thing. And it will be a lot of fun. So you do the same thing. You do the pineapple punch, the lovely lipstick, the Bermuda Bay. And then let's see how that comes out. Let's start here. And you can do it in whatever way you want. You could go across and make it this way, but we're going to stick with what we've been doing. And I'm going to go ahead and go right across here. And we're doing the same thing, go 1/3 of the way. And then you may want to go darker in some places, whatever you'd like. And then we're going to do some Bermuda Bay again on this other side. And again, I'm just working in thirds. And I enjoy doing the middle last because I want to see those colors just pop out. I love it. I don't know. If you're like me, I love looking at like science-y things, and although I'm not good at being a scientist at all. Okay, so I think we're good there. And I'm just going to put these two colors away and get out that lovely lipstick. And these are the only 3 colors I've played with so far. You could even go more if you wanted to even go into like a night of navy or something like that. All right, let's make those colors pop, shall we? I'm going to get out that lovely lipstick right here in the middle. And then let's take this over into that blue and get that lovely purple shade going here. Hi, Trisha. And then we're going to pop out, get a little bit of orange going on here. So let me know in the comments what you guys are doing to, are you still working? Are you working from home? Life as usual. I'd love to know what's going on with you guys. This is my first Facebook Live, and I am having fun so far. How about you? All right, so now it's time to see again. Here we go. We're going to take that tape off. And look at that. Whew, so pretty. Now, you probably can't see it until I remove this. But look at that. is that the coolest envelope? And that's what I like. So you've got your envelope here, you've got your back, but then look when we turn it around. Oh, it's got a little pop of color. And then you get your card here. Hi, Janine. And we've got our color on both the envelope and the card. And how cute is that? Didn't cost very much at all. It's ink that you might already have on hand. It's one stamp set with that cute little hello there. And then I got mine a little crooked, but we could always put some little dots there if you'd like. Everything can always be figured out. These little glitter enamel dots would go so cute on here. So let's say if you did make an error, you can always put just a little dot there. A dot here and there. Throw it off. People would never know. They would think it's straight. So always, always things that can be done. Thank you so much. Oh, so sweet. Hi, Cassandra. So that's it, you guys. What do you think of my first live? I'm super excited to get that out of the way. I've been so, like, anxious about it in such a long time. So I said, I'm just going to do it. Now's the perfect time. I've got a lot of home time. Oh, thank you, Lynn. So sweet. So, you guys, that is everything that I have today. But, like I said, I'm going to move this over to YouTube. You guys, if you don't know, I do have a YouTube channel. It's the same name, Beauty and the Stamper. You can check me out there. If you want to order anything at all, go ahead and go to jeanpiersanti.stampinup.net. Use this host code for the month of March. And then this, again, is the Post-it note labeling and cover-up tape. I will put a link on the post. Either on YouTube, I'll put in the description below. On here, again, my first time, I don't know how that's going to work, but I'll definitely put a post up. So if you wanted to purchase this, I just got it on Amazon. So, yay! You are a true beauty. Thank you so much. So, all right, beauties. Thank you so much for being on with me on my first YouTube Live. I appreciate it. And I will talk to you later. Bye.